class. My name is Charlie, and for my STEAM moment lesson, I decided to do third grade fractions. The two content standards that I'm going to be reaching are 3.1, understanding a fraction 1 over b as the quantity formed by one part when a whole is partitioned into b equal parts. Understand a fraction a over b as a quantity formed by a parts of size 1 over b. This is just basically saying that the third graders are able to understand the fractions and identify them. The next standard is 3.3, comparing two fractions with the same numerator or the same denominator by reasoning about their size. Recognize that comparisons are valid only when the two fractions refer to the same whole. Record the results of comparisons with the symbols less than, equal to, or greater than, and justify the conclusions by using a fractional model. So I have two worksheets that we're going to go over for that. The first worksheet we have is color the fraction. So we're going to start off 4/7. So in order to do that, we have to scribble in 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 7 squares. Let's make this x. So we know 4 out of these 7 should be shaded. And for the next one, it is 2/8. So we connect 1 out of 2. We'd shade those in. We go back and shade this one too. So it's just 2 out of the 8 spots. So if you have 2 slices of pizza and a whole pizza is 8, we need to select 2 of these. The next one is 3/7, so we're going to shade 3/7. Next one we have 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we know 5 out of the 8 is shaded, the leftovers should be the blank. So 1, 2, 3, and then 5 plus 3 is going to give us 8 out of 8, which is one whole. And here is one whole right here. So 4 out of 4, we could shade the whole thing. And that is what we call a whole. 1 out of 3 would be just one of these right here. 1 out of the 3 pieces. 2 out of 5. Two thirds. One fifth, so just one of these little rectangles. One over 2, which is 1/2. Oh, what happened here? Now if we added one more, it would be 2 out of 2, and we would color in the entire whole. 5 out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaving us 1/6 left over. 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3. 3/6. We could also simplify that to 1/2 by dividing by 3 on the numerator and denominator. 3 out of 8. 1, 2, 3. Gonna color that in. And 6 out of 6, which is equal to 1 whole. Color the whole thing. So shading fractions is a good way to understand numerator and denominator placement. So the next activity we have